So in this tutorial, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to actually assemble our first section, which is our frame. So in this tutorial, guys, we're going to assemble our three parts, so our bottom frame, side frames, and top frame. So we're going to go down to the assembly. What we're going to do is we're going to insert our three parts. The first one is our bottom, so we're just going to place that down. We're going to have a side frame. Now we're going to have two of them, so I'm just going to place them roughly the areas I want, and the top frame. So once we've got our four pieces, we're just going to select the tick, and now we can assemble them. So we're just using a specific type of mate. So up the top here, we have got different types of constraints and mates. We're going to stick with a fasten mate because when we actually build this thing in real life, we are going to screw these pieces together, so we're just going to use that fasten mate. So you select this. Now you need to zoom in, and we're going to start with our left here. Now you can see there's a little blue arrow, a line, green and a red. There are different, or axes, sorry. So we need to select that blue one facing this piece here. Now if that's really hard, if you can't get the right angle, you need to just change your views. So you could switch around, you could move your camera, you could zoom in until you can select that corner. So now I can rotate, and then now you can see that blue line's going up. I want it coming out, so I just move my little mouse till I'm on that plane, and I've selected that. It'll snap to that point. And now the last stage we need to do is just solve this equation. So solve and then tick. And what you can see is now that is locked in. So we want to do the same thing for the other side. So you can see it's got our fasten mate. It's already started. When it's red, it means two pieces haven't been joined yet. So we need to just go ahead and join them. So I can zoom in. I can rotate my camera. Now you could say click this line here, but you'd have to click the corresponding blue one in the center here. It's just depending on where. I prefer go to the corners. It's nice and easy that way. So I'm going to select this corner, and then I'm going to match it with this one. Again, that blue line needs to be facing outwards, just like that. And then solve, tick. If we don't click solve, the pieces won't stay assembled that you just previously connected. The last thing is we need to put this piece here up in our top here. So again, zoom in, click that little blue line, scroll around, and click the other one. Now you can see it's gone, and I've clicked the wrong one. So I can just hit escape, or I could offset it, but I'm just going to hit escape because I don't want that one. I want to make sure I select my right corners. So I need to reselect my fasten mate. I'm going to rotate. I'm going to select that top corner, the little blue line, rotate, and I'm just using shift and clicking that jog wheel and clicking and hold to move my screen, and the right mouse button, clicking and holding that so I can rotate my camera angle, and then I can select the right corner. Once I'm there, I'm going to solve and tick. So as you can see, we've got our side frame done.